Hello and welcome to Hands-on Incident Response Analysis. My name is Sunil Gupta. I'm a cybersecurity specialist, a book author and public speaker, and I'm your instructor for this course. So let's talk about the course overview, like what we are going to learn here in this course. So first of all, we will learn about discovering incident response process. Then we will learn how you can detect and prevent attacks on hosts and networks. We will learn the defense techniques for these attacks, then how to detect and handle the malicious code, and implement forensics for incident response, and finally, preventing insider threats, detection and handling. Now, what are the course goals? So the course is designed to provide the basic information about incident response. Student will learn that how to detect these attacks on networks, websites and applications. So if we talk about the lab setup, so we have these two machines, Kali Linux and Windows. We are going to perform attack first of all, and then how we can detect these attacks, that we are going to cover. So why you should take this course? Because this course is going to provide you information about incident response. You will perform forensics with incident handling, and then how you can detect these attacks in organizations, that we are going to cover here in this course. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you inside the course.